Yeah, I'm doing better, oh. The rain is falling from the sky, oh no. Yeah, it been, never let it go, on the 4th of July, I shoot up fireworks, don't even like them anymore, they remind me too much of my past, I don't know, here we go. When the rain is falling from the sky, do I go and hide when the thunder comes? Yeah. Everywhere I go, the rain follows. I don't know anymore. I've been on a new schedule. Yeah, I feel like I'm losing a lot. Me and my brother going through a lot. I love him. I don't know what to say. Haven't seen him for a long time. Yeah. When the rain falls, I fall with it. I feel so depressed. Okay, in my head, I feel so depressed because outside the weather's so lack, so bad. I don't know where to go. Everything I know.